Hi, so it's January and my New Year's resolution is always to eat like a little bit healthier because I ate a lot of chocolate over Christmas and my freezer is literally about to be an avalanche. Like I open it at my own risk. So I'm gonna clean it out and try to use up everything in there before I fill it back up and try to make a whole bunch of meals for the next couple weeks. And so it's gonna be a freezer meal prep series. So let's get started. I told you, it's bad. Like it's really bad. So this is everything. It's a ginormous pile of all sorts of things. So off the top of my head, some of the things that I'm going to make using my leftover gnocchi from Trader Joe's, I'm going to combine it with frozen meatballs and do like a gnocchi pasta bake. I found some Pillsbury Brands Southern biscuits and I made some egg bites, so I'm going to combine the two to make breakfast sandwiches. What else? I have a bunch of frozen fruits, so I will use that to make smoothie bowls and smoothies, but I also thought I could defrost some of it and make some dressings like raspberry vinaigrettes, blueberry vinaigrettes, because why not, or even some muffins. I found corn, and I found lots of like one frozen chicken breast, not like 2 or 3, like one. So I thought I'd make like a white chicken chili with corn. I also found like some shishito peppers. I found salmon, so I might do like a big kind of like stir fry with salmon and some like fried rice. I also got these. These are spicy chicken breasts, so I think I'm gonna get some rolls and like make sandwiches. And I have some other things that are fully done. Like guess what? I found a whole like chicken chili, so I'm gonna use that for meal prep too. So I'm excited.
Right, here's the finished product. No more avalanches. See how long I can keep this up.